What's the meaning of bevy? Bevy. Bevy.
Bevy. Bevy. The word bevy is typically used to refer to a group of animals or people that are closely associated with one another. Specifically, it usually refers to a large group of birds, such as quail or partridge, that have gathered together for some purpose. However, the term can also be applied more broadly to any group of individuals who are united by a common interest or purpose. In general, a bevy implies a large and active group that is engaged in some kind of collective activity. This might include anything from singing or dancing to hunting or socializing. Overall, the term suggests a sense of liveliness and camaraderie among those involved.